finally took the time to talk about Windows 7. As I was before, I was doing a little bit of talk about Windows 7. I have hinted about it in my videos, but I haven't really done a big talk about it, you know, like sitting down what I think of Windows 7. So that's what this video is for. Windows 7 is a great operating system. At its core, it's a great operating system. There's a lot of bugs still in it. I find that I would like them to fix, and I hope they do. You know, I really do hope they fix those little bugs. And you know, it's not like big bugs or anything like that. It's just little tiny ones that I see, little UI things, you know, just little things like that that I think they need to be fixed. But other than that, it's a great operating system. It really is. I'll definitely run that over Vista. I don't hate Vista or anything. I never had a lot of problems with it. I did have a few with I did a video about this on my larger desktop systems, but on my primary laptops, I've never had a problem with it. So, but Windows 7 is a new story. It's a new start for Microsoft. Let's just forgive them for the Vista, or the wow they gave us with that one. And really look forward to Windows 7, because, you know what, as I'm a Mac user and I'm also a PC user, and you know, I'm pulling for both companies, and I'm hoping they continue to release great products. And Microsoft is doing well. They're doing a lot of cool stuff right now. They really are. They're really working hard, and I'm very happy to see that, because I was worried when Vista came out, and I was worried with the products they're releasing that way that they lost their game, kind of thing. But it really has, they've really proved me wrong by doing a lot more cool stuff. Windows 7, things I'm worried about with it, the support for XP users. Now, there's a lot of XP users out there that they love their XP machines, and Vista gave them a lot of trouble. It did, with a lot of compatibility with drivers. Now, Windows 7 is the same driver model. They didn't change it. So, that means if your hardware did not work in Vista, it might still have problems with Windows 7. And that's a serious problem I'm really thinking about. Because Microsoft is a great company, and I know they'll try their best to overcome this, but there's going to be a lot of XP users out there, and I'm worried what they're going to say. I'm worried there's going to be a lot of them out there with incompatibility issues, and, you know, not everyone is like me, or like, you know, not a lot of people are, you know, upgrading their systems like every year. Most people upgrade their systems every 3 or 4 years, which is good, you know. You don't need to upgrade, but they're not going to run Windows 7 properly. And I feel bad. I really do. Windows 7 requires, I think it's 128 megabytes of graphics card memory, and all those old laptops with integrated graphics in them, not gonna work. Not gonna get the whole I was gonna say Vista. I mean Windows 7 experience. And I wish they wouldn't. I wish they'd find a way to do the UI and still be able to have the experience that I'm seeing in Windows 7. Apple, like, they have an amazing user interface, very sleek, very beautiful, and you know, the minimum requirements I think are like 8 megabytes of, you know, hardcore graphics memory, 32 megabytes of graphics memory, and runs great. I don't know why Vista would have any. You know, I don't know why Vista and Windows 7 need so much graphics power. I think it's a lot of the arrow theme and a lot of the transparency. But who knows? Anyways, it'll be a great operating system. It'll have a lot of problems though, and I'm just worried about driver compatibility, because I have been hit with driver compatibility on Windows 7 and on Windows Vista, and I know I'll be hit with the same thing on Windows 7. I still have an old desktop here, which I know it's going to give me trouble with. I know. We'll try it. I'll do a video about it, upgrading my desktop system to Windows 7, but I know it's going to give me a little bit of trouble. So, I hope everyone really enjoys Windows 7. I really do. I'm not, you know, I don't get any money from Microsoft or anything, but, you know, I really hope, you know, I love Microsoft, and I hope everyone really does enjoy the products that they released. I know they're not going to release great products every time. That has That's been shown with Windows 7 as well as Windows Millennium or not Windows 7. Hopefully not Windows 7. I mean Windows Vista and Windows Millennium, and there's been a few other ones out there that just haven't quite shown the Microsoft innovation that they really should have shown. So let's just hope that Windows 7 is a great operating system. I know at this point, at this very point, when looking at the current builds that I have, it is great. It's a good operating system. It's a solid operating system. It does have a few bugs in it still, but at this point, it's a pretty good, solid operating system. For people who have hardware that is compatible, for people who don't have hardware that's compatible, I'm sorry, like it's gonna give you trouble, and I wish it wouldn't, but you know, it's kind of Microsoft had to do it. They had to move forward. They couldn't always look back. That's why eventually XP won't be supported. I don't think XP is supported. I know you can't buy it on a new system, at least like from a large OEM. So, anyways, Windows 7. What do you think about it? Please reply in the comment section or email me at thezrtech@gmail.com. Let me know what you think of Windows 7. Have you had good experiences with it? Have you had bad experiences with it? Do you like what they've done? Let me know. I'll be happy to hear from you or hear from anyone who really is interested in Windows 7. And you know, feel free to check out my other videos. I do other videos about Windows 7, Leopard, Snow Leopard, and OS 10 and Windows in general. Also Linux. Haven't done a good Linux video. I'm hoping to get one out soon, so I'll look out for that. So let me know what you think. Also, if you want to get notifications about my new videos, please hit the little subscribe button there, and you can subscribe to my videos. Also, I do enjoy making these videos, but I like, you know, to show a little appreciation. Please, you know, give me a few stars. 5 would be great. So, thank you very much, and thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy this video and videos to come.